Welcome to another insightful video where we uncover the workings of building maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're going under the hood of what it takes to keep buildings functional and comfortable. We'll discuss the roles of those behind the scenes, the various tasks they perform, and how the system operates in different types of organizations. We'll also touch on some vital certifications in the field and resources for building maintenance professionals. So buckle up and prepare to gain some valuable insights into the world of building maintenance. Let's dive right into building maintenance. What is it exactly? Well, building maintenance is all about making sure a facility or building remains functional and comfortable for its users. It's a bit of a behind-the-scenes job that includes a wide variety of tasks, such as cleaning common areas, removing trash regularly, and repairing items that are broken. It can also involve inspecting, repairing, and maintaining electrical systems, heating and air conditioning systems, and other utility services. Sometimes it even extends to the outdoor property, taking care of sprinkler management, lawn care, and landscape management. Now, who are the people behind all this work? Building maintenance workers are typically divided by experience and responsibilities. We have janitors who handle the cleaning of a building or facility. This includes mopping floors, vacuuming carpets, cleaning bathrooms, and washing windows and glass doors. Then there are maintenance technicians. They perform the inspection, repair, and maintenance of building systems including HVAC, electrical, and water. Their tasks are typically assigned by work orders, and they report to supervisors who oversee their tasks. Speaking of supervisors, they plan, assign, and manage a team of maintenance workers for a particular shift. They review incoming work orders as well as short and long-term objectives to prioritize the maintenance department's work for the day or week. They also handle personnel issues such as interviewing, hiring, and training maintenance workers. Let's take an apartment complex as an example of building maintenance. The maintenance department handles all the systems, repairs, and ongoing tasks to keep the facility running each and every day. They take care of regular lawn and landscape care of the property, cleaning and repairing units as residents move in and out, and even respond to residents' requests for appliance repair or pest control. They ensure that common areas are clean and well-maintained. So who uses building maintenance? Just about every business requires building maintenance services. Smaller organizations usually tuck these responsibilities under general operations and outsource services themselves. Larger businesses maintain an in-house maintenance department to manage these needs. Residential complexes like apartments or condominiums maintain a team of building maintenance workers to inspect, repair, and manage all the indoor and outdoor maintenance needs of the entire complex. Even government municipalities utilize building maintenance teams to ensure city buildings, post offices, and libraries are in good working order to serve the needs of the public. Building maintenance workers can also apply for various certifications to increase their skills and advance their careers. There's the Building Systems Maintenance certifications offered by BOMI International, which is recommended for those who maintain building systems. It covers efficient energy management, HVAC, plumbing, and water treatment topics. There's also the Building Operator certification, which provides Level 1 and Level 2 training on energy management, electrical distribution, control point management, and HVAC. And then there's the HVACR certification, which is achieved through apprenticeships and test candidates on their knowledge about heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and radiation. As for news and resources, the International Facilities Management Association, or IFMA, is the largest association for facility management professionals. It provides a wealth of knowledge and resources, including publications like FMJ Magazine and Wire Newsletter, a knowledge library, and networking directories. The Association for Facilities Engineering, or AFE, is another professional organization that provides resources for all professionals working in the built environment. It offers professional development opportunities, local chapters, and an association newsletter. Both are excellent sources of information for building maintenance professionals. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the ins and outs of building maintenance, the roles of those involved, and the resources available for professionals in the field. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.